Listening Part A, Effective Strategies and Tricks.
We will discuss in this flash video 4 important things in Listening Part A. Firstly, we will explain the main outlines and the overview of Listening Part A. As you all know, the Listening Part A is 2 scenarios with 12 questions each, so it is a 24 questions totally. You have to remember that all questions are gap-filling. There are many steps and skills you have to do to answer this part properly. Firstly, before the audio, you have to read the questions and find the right keywords, then listen carefully to pick up the right answer, then write it rapidly and clearly. Now we will explore the main difficulties in Listening Part A. As we mentioned before, you have to answer 24 gap-filling questions in 15 minutes. So, you have to speed read all the questions to find the right keywords, then listen carefully to pick the right answer and finally write it clearly. So, it is a clear time management and strategy skills. That is why your success in listening subtest depends mainly on Part A. Because it is 57% of the whole listening exam, and it is the most easy part. But you have to write what you exactly heard in the audio. Now we will explain some of our tricks and strategies that will help you to tackle this exam easily. The first trick is using your time effectively, as you have at least 2 minutes before the start of the first text audio. So, what will you do during these 2 minutes? We will give you a step-by-step guide of our 4 steps technique during the first 2 minutes before the audio start. Firstly, you have to read quickly the headings and subheadings in the question paper, just to understand the main idea of each section in the paragraph. Then highlight or underline the different types of keywords that we will explain later. After that, anticipate the missing word or short phrase, and finally, put a symbol to remind you while listening. Today, we will focus on one of the most important tricks during OET Listening Part A, which is the keywords. There are many types of keywords that can be used in the OET Listening Part A. Firstly, the constant keywords, which cannot be changed in the audio tape, as medication name, medical condition, S name, etc. And the second type is the changing keyword, which can be replaced by a synonym or alternative words as flaring up or the progress of the medical condition, or the name of a body part, etc. So, what is the importance of knowing these 2 types of keywords? There is a great importance of this information, as you can use the constant keywords as a strong landmark to keep your place while listening and don't miss any subject change. While you can predict the synonyms and alternatives of the changing keywords, which is a common trick in the Listening Part A. For more tricks and strategies for OET exam, don't hesitate to contact us directly. We will be very happy to support you and be one of the thousands that we supported worldwide. Matrix Training Center, we will be happy to support you. Just contact us and to join our team of attendees to add your success story on our wall, which is full of hundreds of success stories.